Lelizwe liyonqotshelwa uzulu ungazonda uzofike lelizwe liyonqotshelwa uzulu ngoba thina sakhazelwa ukuthi indoda yini sakhazelwa thina ukuthi indoda yini sakhazelwa ukuthi ubuholi yini ubuholi akusona isikhundla ubuholi ngamasebe ubuholi uzalwa nabo indoda isikhundla esisithathwe umuntu empilweni into esiyiyo-ke thina leyo so-ke bafowethu sifuna ukukhombisa umhlaba wonke nezwe lonke ukuthi abantu bayaphatheka abantu bayezwa abantu bawubabona bengezwa basuke beshoda ngomholi ungabona abantu nje bengezwa basuke beshoda ngomholi abantu makunomholi abantu bayezwa bukani into yayizona more than 5,000 weyinsizwa kade sibeka nansi imvubu phansi sihambe size siyosithela insizwa imile akukho sitolo esibulewe akho umuntu obulewe akho umuntu oshayiwe akho umuntu owonakalelwe into yakhe siyacela uhulumeni asilalele ngoba uhulumeni yithi weyinsizwa uhulumeni yithi kuzukhetho nje kuzukhetho kulelizwe yithi uhulumeni yithi sobe sithi lona kabe ikhansela lona kabe imeya lona kabe uminister lona kabe ubani nezwa bafuthi awukwazi kungumbeki wenkosi awukwazi ukuthi ungumbeki wenkosi bese ungatholi ngisho imvutho awukwazi ukuthi ubambise umuntu ehlinza emzini wakhe uhamba ungawakhomile amantshontsho othile anikwazi ukungasebenzi kuyinini enivotayo bese kusebenza abantu abangavoti ayikwazi iyouth yakulelizwe abantu abasha abayikusasa laleli lizwe ukuthi kungavunyelwa nje amadoda asuke eNigeria namakhanda amakhulu ney'ntamo ey'nkulu ngathi amabheke bese bezodayisa amaglasi yabona-ke manje kuthiwa eHillbrow ngicela niyiqophe kuthiwa eHillbrow ungena ngiyakhona-ke mina manje
Kanyip. Kaze kubalekela sengifuna ukukhuluma nawe njengamanje. Yazi ngifunani kuwena? Ngifuna ukuza ongaphakathi kuwe ngayo yonke lento eyenzakala la.
Oh, but we are mhlanje bese siyajabulisa uNolize because what we have been waiting for here in Johannesburg, there's nothing that is good than this thing what is we are doing today. With Nolize we sidele isikhathi sethu nama-business ethu nama-meetings ethu and we decide to come here because we want to see the change in our community in Johannesburg, or we can even say South Africa. We are saying now we are tired of the foreign, especially illegal foreigners, because they are busy fucking up our country and they are insulting us, telling us that is a banana republic, this one. This is not a banana republic. This is our country. This is a very respected country. We have built this country and we are trying by all means to build this country and to make sure every black person or South African here in South Africa receive what they must receive. Ngendlela right nakwethu. So nje bathi enjalo nje ngeke sikwazi ukuthi abantu ngaphandle bekhanasela bezosibiza iBanana Republic into lokho.
So ngithi bathi nenza lento because ni jobless. We understand. So uyavumelana nento kanjalo ngizothi udela ibhizinisi lakho weza la namhlanje. Why? Ngicela ukuthi ubacacisele into kanjalo.
Mfowethu mina what I can say ngikhulumela nje South Africa as a whole. We are facing a lot of big unemployment. The rate of unemployment is very high now. Due to our foreigners. Foreigners, they have taken over. Our shops, they have taken over. Our restaurant, they have taken over. Even the government sector, they have taken over. So we can't let them do those things. Our people, Mabepume City, they don't get jobs. West Park now, universities. Foreigners who are teaching our sisters and brothers, you know? Yes. And then guess what's happening? Are they getting any job? No job, nothing. Our people are hungry. But that's why you see a lot of kids, a lot of our sisters now, they're going out the streets, selling their body.
Because
we're not promoting that they must go. We don't want that. That's why we are here fighting for them. And also now, but they must fight for their own. They must not come close to these people. They must not come close to these people. They must not sell us like that. Because we are fighting the foreigners.
So what if it change? We born in the next 5 months or 10 months?
Firstly, let me tell you something. Change is because we're going to force that to happen. This is our country. This is not a banana republic as they say. This is our country. We are trying all by means to fix this country, and we have been fixing this country with no lies. And we can never let this happen failure to fix our country. Trust me, you.
Aish. Akwenzekalayo ke kasibona. Naso.
Awesome.
Shimawusani. Oh, suka madoda ashisa lezandla. Ashitha libathatha.
They must go back to their country and fix their country, and then we can come back and say we are brothers, okay? It's a matter of them going and fixing their country. Zimbabweans must go to their country. Nigerians, West Nigerians must go to their country and fix their country. And then after, they can come back to us and say, no, we are united, we are brothers. No, there is no xenophobia. Everything that we are doing is not xenophobic. It's that word, that name, it's a name of hate. It's a hate speech. When you say to us it's xenophobic, when you call that name, you are actually hating yourself by exactly. So now, Tina, we are doing what is right. When we say Abantu Bangaphandle must go to their country and fix their countries, we are saying it properly with a good heart. We are not hating them, we love them with no lies. So now we don't have jobs. You saw the kids there, the sisters there. What do you call that university there? That's UJ. Because they know there is a lack of unemployment in South Africa. So if we are doing this now, fixing this, after there's going to be jobs, there is going to be a lot of job opportunities that is going to come, because now foreigners, they will be in their countries, fixing their countries, creating job opportunities for their countries. Look, in the States, I mean, within a foreigner must come with at least 500 million or 500,000. Not 500,000, right? Is it, how much is it? 5 million or something. Who want to create a job opportunity here in South Africa, but now they are coming to take our jobs. They are coming to take our business. Look, what happened? It was, I think, yesterday. They shot another guy in Soweto. I think they started by they started by threatening him. They threatened him, I think, 3 times or 4 times. And then after when he was closing his shop, they shot him. The Somalians, they shot this guy, that guy. And then there's another incident that happened in Davidson. Something happened there. It is very, very hectic. But no lie, South Africans must be in South Africa. Foreigners must go to their country and fix their country properly. That's it. We don't hate them, but they must go to their country and fix their country. Enough is enough.
kwamukala imashini emva kwethu impi iyaqhubeka yokuqosha ukufika abahambasemthethweni peacefully ngaphezu kwalokho sakutheli nje la ibhola sindawo siyabonga kakhulu siyabonga iy'nsizeni zonke isiko bekhululwe kakhulu inhloso yethu hlanganisa abantu bakithi ukuthi lokusebenzisa umthaya akusiwona nje owabantu abaqaphekise akusiwona abantu umsebenzi okhona
ukuthi mhlawumbe lo myalezo bethumele ebantwini ngoba akukho la bathile khona nabo mhlawumbe futhi abanye kumele abanye babo bemelele phezulu bentuka la beza ngabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe emqondweni yabo benze ukuthi bathathe ingoda yabo
hayi bazohamba abantu bokufika iyona ndlela esifuna ukusebenzisa indlela enokuthula indlela engaxabanisi indlela engalwisi indlela engaphazamisi ukusebenza komuntu uma ngabe esemthethweni lanzima bazohamba bona ngoba bayabona nabo ukuthi abantu uma bephuma bebangaka abantu bezophuma bebe baningi kangaka bezothi sebekhathele ngabantu bafika nemizi kufanele naye umuntu ofika ayibonele ukuthi kumele ahambe so-ke ukuphuma kwabantu kuyisayile
lana egoli kuzohlala isikhathi esingakanani nanokuthi kukhona yini amanye amawabona suka namhlanje liyaphambili
zonke iy'nsuku la igoli sizoba nohlelo esizolwenza sizohlala la kuzohlala kushaye umhlaka 15 March 15 May sizobe sekukhona-ke libulo likhona la egoli kusitshela ukuthi iziphi indawo abafisa sihambe soyibuka ngoba into esiyenzayo njengamanje we are conducting a survey yokubuka ukuthi la egoli abantu bokufika lapho abantu abaningikhona zikhona ney'hlalo zabantu bakithi kukhona nokuhlomula okwenziwa ngabantu bakithi bala egoli instead of ukuthi amabhizinisi onke aphathwe ngabantu bokuthina thina njengey'nsizwa asizukwenza thina amamashi thina sizohamba hambe kufika isikhathi la khona sizokhuluma khona nomuntu ukufika simtshela ukuthi akahambe okwamanje sicela imeseji ifike kahle kubantu bokufika sibacela ngemeseji that is conveyed through ukuhamba kanje ukuthi abahambe but siyeza isikhathi la khona sizoqondana nomuntu simthetho wendoda siyeza leso sikhathi leso sicela ukuthi bebe beqala beyilungisa manje bebe beqala behamba ngoba sabe kunqamlathi kaJuni end of June la egoli kufanele engasebenzi ayibe ngaphezulu ukufika kwabantu abantu bengaphezulu abantu bayakhombisa ngempela and uhulumeni sicela ayithathele phezulu lento ngoba uyabona abantu ngendlela abakhulume ngayo ukuthi ngempela sebakhathele sicela uHome Affairs sicela amaphoyisa siyabonga amaphoyisa nasasiyabonga sithi ukusebenzisana kwethu namaphoyisa ngoba lokhu ngayiqala lento ukuthi akungashawa muntu akungabulawa muntu amathathe impahla zabantu akaphazamisa iy'nto zabo abayisebenzisayo asibatshele nje ngomlomo ukuthi abahambe kusukela lokhu kusaqala izinga liyakhula kakhulu ngoba thina okwethu kuzoba nomehluko kunalokho okuhlelwa udadewethu uJacinta kungumnikazi weMarch and March thina sizinsiza thina umama uJacinta usihlelela yena ngokwemithetho kamasipala yokuthi kufanele kulandele imithetho ethile nethile ukuze kwenzeke imashi bathi thina akusiyi imashi lokho kwethu kuzosho ukuthi hambani kuzofika isikhathi ngoba ngisho kuzofika isikhathi la sizoqonda khona indoda ngayodwa noma ngabe bawuthengile sizoqonda indoda ngayodwa sithi indoda thatha amasaka akho ukubala sicela abantu bokufika bahloniphe lo moya omuhle esiwusebenzisayo sicela abantu bokufika besebenzise lokhu esikucelayo ukuthi siyacela behamba ngoba sekonakele izinto akoni bona kakhulu bona ngisho izikhulu zethu sisacela beqhele ukuze sosala thina siqondane nobaba bethu siqondane nohulumeni wethu. Abantu abasebenzi kuphakathi ney'nsuku namhlanje uyababona abantu bangakanani okubuhlungu kunakho konke ubuhlungu enhlizweni yami abantu abasha abagcwele. Uma ngabe izwe linabantu abasha 62% wabantu abasha abasebenzi 62 bafowethu 62% wabantu abangasebenzi. Does it make sense nje kuwo wonke umuntu okhona bafowethu? Wena manje ukhokha i-tax eyesabekayo kulo muholo wakho omncane ukhokhela u-35% wabantu eSouth Africa usupporta u-62%. Akuwenzi umqondo. So izwe lethu lisenkingeni. Sicela ukuthi nje akathi ukudeda abantu bethi ukudeda abantu bokufika silungise uhulumeni silungise isystem. Empeleni we are rescuing uhulumeni wethu because lento isefana ne-pandemic. Uhulumeni nabo abazi ukuthi bazokwenza njani. Uhulumeni uvotelwe yithi uhulumeni yithi amakhosi yithi insizwa iyeza manje elandelayo umbhidango after le igoli after June siya eParliament eJapan. Kakhulu siyabonga ngiyaphinda siyabonga no-president siyabonga iy'nsizwa zonke siyabonga kodwa dewethu kade bekhona noma imashi ibiqondene ney'nsizwa-ke lokhu kuhamba ukuthi beqondene ney'nsizwa kodwa dewethu kade bekhona besesenza siyabonga kakhulu kuhambe kahle nje kakhulu siyabonga lapha ey'nsizweni akufani namamashi epolitiki lapha ey'nsizweni umuntu wesifazane uhamba ngemuva kwabantu besilisa. Isizathu sokuthi umuntu wesifazane ahambe ngemuva kwabantu besilisa ukuthi ngoba sihambalele siyazi ukuthi kungenzeka sixabane nalezi nsizwa zethina. Akufanele ukuthi kuqala nje kuxatshana sekulimala umuntu wesifazane ngaphambili. Yizo zonke izinto lezo kufanele siyilungise njengezo ngoba ipolitiki vele yenza yonke ilingana. Ithatha umuntu wesifazane imbeke phambili qamuka imbokodo ihlale simove umuntu wesifazane uyalimala sekuthiwa thina singamadoda kufanele siyokwenza lokho. Uma uyindoda kula kuhlanganiswe khona abantu walimala umuntu wesifazane ukhona awuyona indoda ngoba umsebenzi wakho njengendoda uvikela umuntu wesifazane. So kasikwazi ukuthatha abantu besifazane sibabeke phambili. Ngiyayibonga-ke lezi nsizwa ngiyayibonga zonke lezi nsizwa ngibonga uNdaba Ezitha uMacingwane umfowethu engisebenza naye okuyena esihlele nakho la esiphoqa nje ubunsizwa naye lapha eGoli. Sisazohlala sibuphoqe nje ubunsizwa la nise yoy'ntatheli bizosibheka siphoqa ubunsizwa ngoba ubunsizwa ngobakwaZulu ubunsizwa ngobukhosi futhi amadoda ane-position that comes by default yokuthi uyindoda you have to stand up for your country. You don't need a political position. You are a man. Stand up for your country. Ningamadoda bafowethu ngiyezwa yini ningamadoda umelane endleleni ungalindi ukuthi yibo buyi-position. That position can't be taken away from you. Siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu.
Njengesileke kudemonstrate ukuqinisa ukuchaba kwethu akukho umuntu ozokhonya ezinto sikhona ngesithi musaka amadolobha wonke ukuthi abasukume wonke ukuthi le mpi ephikisana nabantu abala abafika abangakho emthethweni sithi isiphakiwe manje sekuyisikhathi sokuthi sisukumele thina ilizwe lethu ngoba osopolitiki nomusepolitiki ahlulekile uhulumeni udayisile bakhambatebule asesuka sona isikhathi sikhathayi asesona isikhathi sokukhuluma ingisi ezinde asekhona isikhathi sokuthi honorable inawu umhlaba uyidala wona kabusha asumeni sonke all corners of South Africa esisiqiniseko sokuthi siyawutshengisa umhlaba futhi asikwazi ukuthi thina singahlanya sisodwa kuba bonke amaganyeni wonke asuke ilalweni lawo bakwethu onakele noma ningambiza ngohlanya uTrump ngoba nonke nisibiza ngenhlalo kodwa leli gama lethi make America great again abalulwela abantu base-America ukuthi bayibone bebalulekile waze wabulala ikhwakha siseyidakamizwa saseMexico okuyisona sike esisaplaya umhlaba wonke jikelele ama-drugs. Leyo nto leyo iwukhawa leyo akabheja kwesinye izinto kodwa ngimi naye lapho ukuthi nathile siyadinga ukuthi sibe nabaholi aba-decisive. Thina sinabaholi abanegotiatayo aba-over-consulta, sinabaholi abangenayo mgogodla. Ngakho-ke njengamanje izwe sezandleni zethu. Akahamba ejele aphume walahla ithuba limfanele ukuthi our generation ashintshe ukuphathwa kwezwe kodwa yena wadawuka ubusi wanyanya uzulu ke waphinde wazothatha imali ko-point engineering balutha i-VBS bayiqeda bangene kuruleni bashaya babuqa manje badla imali yabantu bangaphandle bathola $60 million beqhamuka bazona ngaphandle oJulius Malema. Anginendaba noma ngenzani yiyoke efile ukuthi mina isikhathi sakhe siphelile. Julius Malema umgodoyi udayise ngabantu baseNingizimu Afrika ematweni bokufika angikwesabi mfana wami hamba uyoyichamela
Wesemkane nje
uJulius Malema upolitical gap
awisinqe nje
but osopolitiki bamsaba nomongameli bamsaba sibesabi ke thina yithi siphethe manje futhi sokuthatha lelizwe simlungise kuqonde ukuthi
wesemkane nje
ama-drugs utshwala iy'ngane zethu idaka ukufuna emini sidayisa nomzimba ihlaza lenziwe kulelizwe ihlaza
ngoba kodwa bangathiwa kuze kufike isikhathi sibekile sokuthi bahambe laba bantu babengahambi.
hayi uNkulunkulu esiphendulele kodwa khona kophela indlela sikhona iqamkhono lezi izandla engenalutho usathamele umsebenzi bayakhuluma wow abenze into abezokushintsha yabona noma ngabe i-contribution esiyenzayo incane kangakanani the-theatre of auction networks umshane libonakala umncane kodwa ukhiphe izinto ey'ningi ngakho-ke sithi kuyi-responsibility yethu sonke ngoba nango-2021 sasibulwela ukuthi akwazi ukuthi at the age of 8 years isikhathi sokuphuma ejele ngisho kuthiwa wenzeni emhlabeni jikelele sasibulwela ukuthi ubaba wethu aphume ejele i-former president yethu i-freedom fight iboshwe ngecala engathethile namanje-ke isimo esifanayo ngisho inkantolo ngithola mina cala nje wawukhonazetewethu yabona konke lokho isijeni isesipaki esibheke phambili ekuthenini ngelinye ilanga angeke sijike esangweni e-New York buildings so besiphakathi zombuso sesekuyithile osisikelela dala ilento ekuthiwa i-xenophobia ilento ekuthiwa uthengiwe inkambe endala ufuna ukubukwa inkambe endala ekhulunywa imigodoyi engenayo i-future engenayo i-vision engenazo isibindi sokuthi basukumele izwe labo akukho muntu esifandayo sizabalazela thina udayiswa iy'nkomo emakhaya udayiswa iy'mbuzi iy'moto ey'gijimeka kukelwa amathayi asinalutho kodwa sithi kungcono sife kunoma singabukela izwe lethu liluthwa abantu bokufika siyaqhubeka
uyabona nje futhi omdala muhle kakhulu umbuzo wakho ngiyavuma kakhulu mfowethu mina nayizolo ngisithembisile lento kubafowethu ade sinabo bakwaNongoma ngoba mina ngibuya kwaNongoma ngihlala khona la eThekwini ngathi uyabona bafowethu lento eniyenzile nizosivusa amehlo nizivula amehlo sila eGoli ukuthi asekukulala ngithandile ngakho ngizoqhubeka ngizobuya ngize ngabani kumphaka abafowethu ngathi hambani madoda uphakele useshini ukuthi anizokubuya namhlanje kodwa thina sobonisa ukuthi lento eniyifake kithi izoqhubeka lizobuya lelizwe ngenkani lizobuya madoda igazi asilesabi igazi ngakho
sharp bro mfowethu ukuthi ngokwakhona uzizwa kanjani
hlangana nasisinsizwa njengoba sibona sami mina into engibisana nayo kakhulu ama-drugs lawadayisa
Mfowethu.
ama-drugs futhi abonela likwethiswa
Mfowethu.
lifile ngiphatheka kabi lokuthi azange sihambe singene endlini singene emafletini nalabantu ikakhulukazi ukuthi gcwele abantu bangaphandle futhi abadayisa ama-drugs bengifisa singene ngaphakathi ngiphatheka ukuthi azange sisangene ngiyafisa impala ngelinye esingene phakathi khona nabantu sibakhile ngoba izobulawa yini abanandaba abenza khona izwi labo akulona izwi labo lena abanandaba into eyenzeka
So abantu laba badayisa izidakamizwa eHillbrow badayisela abantu.
noma mfowethu ngine ngize nazi amagama abantu noma ngeke ngize kwathiwa ngiyawazi amagama abantu kodwa mfowethu abantu abadayisa ama-drugs bagcwele siyafunakala ukuthi singene phakathi lapho and noma behamba phakathi nomthakathi yongezwe sizoqhubeka thina siyibambele
Mfowethu.
ngoba amaphoyisa ahluleka uxosha labantu sizoyibambela thina ngezandla zethu manje sibathathe sibahambise.
Hayi bhuti omdala siyabonga kakhulu. Kanjani? Ya siyaphila mfowethu, just your point of view mfowethu ngakho konke okwenzakalayo ufila happy mhlawumbe khona ofisa la kulungiseke khona or khona mhlawumbe into ofisa ukuthi yenzakale throughout yonke lento eyenzakalayo.
Okokuqala nje sizothanda kakhulu ey'nsizweni ey'the zasukuma zaphungula phakathi umthakathi ngizwe umculo nokade wethu lapha noma
Jason, yes.
siyabonga kakhulu ukufika kule la sithasukuma kanazamazamisa
Yes.
inkulu vele sibhekene nayo la iyona le abantu bokufika yabona
Yes.
iyona le abantu bokufika asikwazi ukuthi singaphila nabantu abangenazo iy'nhloso ezinhle lokana nezwe lethu asikwazi ukuphila nabantu abangenazo iy'nhloso lokana ikusasa noma abangenayo imibono ngezwe lethu bona abantu imishini yabo kuphela bazi ukuthi kuphela imishini yabo bathuthukisa bona ney'ngane zabo le emakubo okwala eMzansi bakuthekela phansi yabona uthini kuleyo nto leyo uyibiza ngani phila kanjani ezweni elilodwa nomuntu ongayi-understand i-constitution yala eMzansi Afrika njengamanje i-movement ye-march and march iqhuba i-practice ilokana i-freedom of speech bona bayilephela as ilokana izinophobia phila kanjani umuntu kanjalo so kunzima kakhulu so that is why sicela ukuthi bethi ukuthi kushenqa kancane silungise izwe lethu silungise system yethu silungise ugovernment wethu ngoba nayo ugovernment wethu yena inenkinga kakhulu mangabe kuziwa kwezokuphepha kuhlala kahle kwezwe so njalo nje
Awenze mhlawumbe umzekelo nje mhlawumbe ngebhizinisi elithize abalithathile eSouth Africa wena umuntu wase-South Africa mucabanga ongalirana noma abantu base-South Africa abangalirana maybe better than labantu or mhlawumbe yabo ngifuna uphawule ngalolo daba lolo kanjalo.
Lapho lokana angangenzi ngiphawule kakhulu ukuthi ngithape ngize ngibeke nezibonelo ngibeke ngiphathekayo kodwa ke nje siyacela ukuthi besishayise ngomoya ngoba njengoba beke wabeka umphakathi kubalulekile kakhulu ukuthi sadinga ukudila ney'nkinga zesemsamo sadinga ukudila ney'nkinga zasekhaya so awukwazi ukuthi ungathi ukani ushise impepho lapha ukhona umakhelwane lalela zonke iy'ndaba izinto ezenzakalayo masixabana la wena njengomakhelwane nomuntu
Okay. Hayi no hayi. Ngithola kahle.
Sicela nje ukuthi ke bethi shenqe asikho against amabhizinisi abo asikho against thina kodwa nje bethi shenqe ngesilungise system yethu thina government wethu kuhlakalo vele ngoba phela kuhlakalo ikhona vele ku government so ake bethi shenqe sidile no government wethu sibone ukuthi siphatha kanjani lapho phatheka khona lapho ungaphatheki khona futhi sizobona ukuthi sihlangana kanjani sihlanganise sibone ukuthi yini esithuma nayo.
Khona bathi mina la ngeke ngihambe eSouth Africa kusekhaya ngophuma ngebhokisi akanawo amaphepha uyi-illegal immigrant akafuni ukubuyela ezweni lakhe because mhlawumbe uthi ezweni lakhe ku-west yabo mhlawumbe isimo asikho right kahle so ungathini mhlawumbe ukudlulisa umlayezo kubantu abakanjalo abathi angiyindawo
ofuna ukuphuma ngebhokisi ngingakayizwa ke lenkulumo kodwa uma ukuthi kukhona onisela ukuphuma ngebhokisi kuzofinyelela kuleso sigaba leso ngoba njengamanje sisabacela kahle sithi abahambe
okay
sisabacela kahle sithi abahambe kuseyi-peaceful march
okay
yabona uma kukhona ofisa ukuthi kufike leso sigaba leso kuzofika ngoba actually umphakathi sizinsizwa sibona lokho sibona abashumayeli bona abafundisi sizinsizwa kuzofika leso sigaba leso mawukuthi khona ofisa ukuthi kufike leso sigaba leso kuzofika yabona.
Hayi no, siyabonga kakhulu futhi umdala.
Siyabonga futhi.